on YouTube right here. Whew, God, man. That's a Chinook. That's got to be a Nook. That's it. Woo! Yeah. Nice and bright one. Nice and bright. Nice and bright. That is a Chinook right there. It's got some fight in it. Yeah. See the hue? The hue color in it. Nice Nook. No, that's a really big Coho. Yeah, no, that's a Nook. Definitely see the scales. Oh, it's a hatchery.
It's a Coho.
It is a fucking
It's a Coho.
It's a hatchery. Oh my God. Bubbles, I got you fucking dinner, my man. Oh no, it's got a fucking damn it. It's got an adipose on it. Oh no. This is stupid. No, it's a Chinook. Look. Black gums. See? Black gums. Look at all the dots on his back. That's a nice Chinook, man. Holy. You still on video?
Yeah.
This guy here weighs a good 25 pounds. Easy 25 pounds. Nice Nook. Nice Nook. Got you right out of the headwater, buddy. Come here. No, you're getting a picture, big boy. Look at the girth on this guy. Woo! Look at the girth on that guy. Come on, buddy. Come back around here. No. I'm getting a picture with you. You are a, oh man, you might even be a good 28 pounder, buddy. Wow. Okay, you're almost dead here. Here we go. Nope. Okay.
See what you got there, bud.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Woohoo!
Dude.
So let me tell you, we had one heck of a Saturday out fishing. Me and the pops went out real early, hooked up on a nice Chinook and a real nice Coho, and I can't wait for some rain and get out there and do it again. Hope you guys enjoy the video.